Hello, I'm Peter McKay, co-CEO and president of Veeam. Today, we're celebrating International Women's Day. Founded over a century ago, International Women's Day is an opportunity for individuals and organizations across the world to celebrate the social, economic, cultural, and political achievement of women. This day comes on the heel of unprecedented global movement for justice and empowerment in a variety of settings, including the workplace. In a recent study by Forbes, 85% of senior executives from large companies agree that diverse and inclusive workforce are critical to engaging different perspectives and ideas that drive innovation. As a leader in availability for always-on enterprise, Veeam certainly shares this perspective. We believe that elevating the voice of our female workforce is essential to our continued success. To the women in our Veeam family, gender diversity is a strategic initiative for myself as well as the entire executive team. We know that Veeam would not be on track to become a billion-dollar company this year without your continued dedication, thought leadership, and commitment to our vision. On behalf of the executive leadership team, we want to take this opportunity presented by International Women's Day to share our appreciation for your continued focus on excellence, and we look forward to enabling you to grow and succeed in 2018 and beyond. So how are we putting our words into action? In 2016, Veeam launched the worldwide gender diversity initiative called Women in Green. Sponsored by the Veeam Board of Directors, this mission of Women in Green is to attract and retain top female talent, assisting and supporting their career development, and fostering an environment that facilitates their growth. From online sessions that bring in leaders from our alliance partners, including VMware, HP, Cisco, NetApp, and Microsoft, to local chapter meetings that cultivate a culture of network and knowledge sharing, our Women in Green initiatives has established customized training and tools to enable all our female employees to further their careers. Veeam is also fortunate to employ many high-performing women, from individual contributors through senior executives. To nurture these talented employees, Veeam has instituted a year-long career development program that exposes participants to leadership specialists, pairs them with a Veeam executive through a formal mentorship program, and hosts regular group meetings that promote cross-functional and cross-regional networking. A theme of this year's International Women's Day is collective action and shared responsibility. I challenge every Veeam employee to let this day be a reminder to live every day by our core values. Veeam will continue our trajectory of hyper-growth if we go all in on innovation and inclusion. Collectively, we can all play a part in making Veeam a great place to work. Thank you.